I stream.
Showstopper for Needles, ladies and gentlemen, a girl who is famous from television, Amna Sharif. Let's welcome now with a round of applause designers for Needles, Anisha and Ruchi.
Inspiration, of course, this wedding is not new. Everybody one day has to get married, whether they like it or not. So, because we are into casuals, and then in this third time also we have done a wedding collection, and we're proud of it that we are associated with Bangalore Fashion Week, and third time too we have done the wedding collection. She's more popular for Hindi than Indian and this thing, and she was more popular for serials too. So everybody know her very well. So that's the reason. Dress which is totally made of net, and we have done total Zardozi work in thread, and apart from that we have used antique zari also. And but as the Swarovski is in, we have done a Swarovski so that it should match with the gold jewelry as well as the diamond jewelry too. One thing, I'll just tell you one thing. There's no such collection for Indian tradition. If you just see in the May month or June also, everybody wears dark sarees. So it's not particular way we got an autumn collection or some autumn collection for the Indian dresses. So because it has to go with what exactly the bride wants to and the bride family wants to. It has to be according to their choice. It doesn't mean that what colors and what tradition, because the fashion should be important. Now the end is the people are wanted to make more of Kundan jewelry or with diamonds. So this dress matches with both Kundan or diamond. So that's the reason we're keeping jewelry in mind.
I would like to say that the collection what she's wearing is absolutely not seasonal, because brides, when they come up to their month of wedding, they would like to have their own choice of colors and combinations and everything, and what we provide them.
It was great, fantastic. It was nice, felt at home. They made me feel at home. And lovely outfit. I feel good from within as well as from outside. It's a beautiful lime green lehenga with lovely work. It has Indian culture. I think every bride would want to wear something like this. Great experience, I guess. I would just like to say one thing, that they've made me feel like family. So that's
Do you have any upcoming projects?
I do, but right now I'm here for Needles, so let's just talk about it.
So you won't be telling us anything about it? Alright, nothing? Not even a zip? No? Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.